Data driven?
Okay.
This is Expert Perspective by Martin Gawbot Company. It's daily, so subscribe if you like it. We're not scared of you, so comment if you have something to say. We like you. Are you a liker? Like this episode if you like it and you're a liker.
Welcome.
Online marketing / digital marketing. They're essentially the same thing. It's not really that important of a term, but the most important thing to mention about it is very data driven and data expressive. So even if you're not spending money on ads, most digital and online platforms will show you the performance of the content you're putting out, the interactions you're doing, and it wants to show you that data to eventually get you to buy ads and spend more. And it's good for any business, because even if you don't want to do anything online and you hate Facebook and you hate computers, you can ask people on Facebook a question by posting this and then posting this and then seeing which one people engage with more. It's that simple. Then you can use that information, close your Facebook account, and sell this thing instead of this thing at your business. You can sell concrete instead of brick houses. You can sell steel instead of plastic. So you don't need to actually do your marketing on digital to get good stuff from digital and online marketing. It'll tell you stuff that might cost you money to get in the real world. Pay for an expert, pay for a study. It'll save you time if you don't feel like studying stuff on your own and books and things like that. So I think it's a necessity for everyone. I think most everyone else does too. I have a call with a client on tomorrow morning that has been doing events. It's a nonprofit, concerts and stuff like that. And they've been around forever, mostly all word of mouth, membership, in-person, print, advertising and stuff, spending tens of thousands of dollars a year, but all non-digital. They almost do nothing. I don't even think they have a website, and they've been around this long. So the feedback that they're going to get from starting the digital stuff is probably going to change the way that they do business moving forward and help them make more returns off of the money that they're using to deliver the experiences that they're doing. And they're actually growing down to this Florida area, so it'll help the old I think it's New York, Albany area. It'll help them there improve what they're doing, and also tell them how to get started down here in a way that makes more sense, saves them more money, makes them more money, and does better use of the grants and the donations and the memberships that they already have coming in.
Martin's glued coins onto snail mail brochures and managed $250,000 marketing budgets for small businesses. From citrus sellers to surgery centers. He pulls no punches on our website or any of our content when bragging about how to do what we do well. Follow, like, subscribe, or do whatever, wherever you want. We have a podcast, Alexa Flash Briefings, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. And if you decide to partner with us, you know you'll get to relax, since we've got that 100% 5-star review and success rate over all the years we've been around. What are you saying there? Martin's glued coins in a snail mail brochure? What does that mean?